let's start with the makki ki roti. So this is the makki ka atta. I'm adding bathua, mooli and some green chili just to add the spice. Up to you. If you don't want to add, you can minus that. So there is salt, little soft powder. So this is hot water. You can make plain makki ka roti also, but if you add these things, it's healthy, it's much more tastier. So the dough is very simple. I'm making very small quantities, so it looks very simple, but yeah. So just, use your hands and go back and forth. And that's it. That's how it is. So this you can have just like that. You can fry with ghee also. I'm frying it with oil. So the roti is ready.